Whoo-wee! So today, guys, I got something cool lined up. We're gonna be making my catfish yum bait. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. I'll get out the product, and we're gonna start putting together some slap your mama catfish bait that them whisker kitties just they just go ape over it. My catfish, I got chicken liver, all right, and I've got gizzards, and I've got strawberry jello, and I'm also gonna try chicken feet. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them all in a bag, and I'm gonna mix everything up, and we're gonna have a strawberry jello catfish bait that catfish cannot resist. But my secret ingredient is garlic. You tell me a fish that doesn't like garlic. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna squirt some of this in the bag. We're gonna pour the chicken gizzards, the chicken feet, the jello, throw it all together, get it real good and shaken up, and then put it in the refrigerator. And depending on what the weather is the next couple of days, we're going catfishing, guys. So let me turn y'all around here. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So what you want to do first is you want to take the liver. Now, what I like to do is I like to kind of drain off some of the blood of the liver. So, you take your bag, you take your liver, you pour it in the bag. Just like that. Then, you set that aside. Alright. So that's done. Then you take your strawberry jello, right there. And this is what is this? 6 ounces. 6 ounces of strawberry jello. Okay. Get you some scissors and just cut that bad boy open. Alright. Then you pour in. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. Then set that off to the side. Then you get your gizzards. Poke a hole in them. Perfect little catfish nugget right there. These are still frozen, unfortunately, but that's okay. They'll defrost. You get and you just throw them in. Whoo-wee, I'm telling you, catfish are not going to know what to do with this. Anyways, you understand what's going on. Okay. And just Break all that up. Alright. Get rid of that. That goes in the sink. And then, I don't know if this is going to work, but I figured, what the heck, try chicken feet. Don't know if that's going to work or not. But I figured, why not? Something weird. Catfish like weird stuff. Okay. Alright. There you go. That goes there. Whoo-wee. Now, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oops. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that booty. Okay. Oh yeah. You got your chicken catfish dinner. There you go. Now you got a big old bag of catfish yum yum. Maybe that's what I'll call it. JMP's catfish yum yum. Yeah, that'd be interesting, wouldn't it now? Okay. There you go. Okay. What was the other thing? Oh. I know what it was. Can somebody please explain this to me? Have we gotten this damn lazy that we gotta make these instead of grabbing the good old American buns? I mean, come on, guys. What are we doing here? Texas creamy peanut butter and grape jelly, and we're coming up with, I mean, good Lord. And we're coming up with stuff like this. God, I'm disappointed in my country folk. I mean, for 4 of these, it was like almost $5-6. For the big box, it was 15. Come on, people. I know it's called convenience, but so I'm just saying, this and this is smart. You'll get more out of these, more out of this than by doing that. I know we're all, busy, and it's convenience, but really, it's peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Anyways, enough of my rant. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all like, subscribe, comment, but you can watch a video here or anywhere. Just subscribe and comment. All right, I'm J&P Outdoors. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the water. I'm an idiot. I gotta add my garlic. Let me get this back out. Good Lord. I'm a moron. I swear to God. Moron should have been my middle damn name. Whoo-wee. Okay. Yep, get that garlic good and soaked in there. Okay. Add a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Well, I guess the least I could do is try these stupid things. Alright, I get it. We're not horrible.